Hi prep children, here we go again. All right, it is time for our sound of the week box. All right, I am going to pull some things out of my box and you need to listen for the sound that you hear at the beginning of all of these things to guess what our sound of the week is this week. Let's go. Okay, the first thing from my sound of the week box is this is some coloured yarn. Yarn. The next thing from my sound of the week box is that's right, it is paint, I hear you say, but what colour is it? Yellow, that's right, yellow paint. So yellow paint and yarn. What sound can you hear? Okay, the next thing from my sound of the week box. Oh, yummy. Yogurt, yellow paint and yarn. Yarn. The next thing from my sound of the week box is this is called a yak. A yak, which is kind of like a cow, but a lot bigger and a lot furrier with really big horns. So a yak, yummy yogurt, yellow paint, and some yarn. Keep thinking. All right, the last thing from my sound of the week box is a yo-yo. And I'm not very good at doing yo-yos, prep children. So maybe you are really good at doing yo-yos. So we have a yo-yo, a yak, yummy yogurt, yellow paint, and some yarn. What sound can you hear at the beginning of all of those things? Did I hear you say y? The letter Y that makes the y sound? Great job, prep children. Okay, so go to your learning schedule and listen to your prep teachers to see what your activities are for this week to learn all about the letter Y. All right, bye.